Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading I Heart You by Meg Fleming and Sarah Jane Wright. Please enjoy. I Heart You. I see you. I miss you. I hug you. I kiss you. I hide you. I tease you. I find you. I squeeze you. I chase you. I slow you. I lift you. I grow you. I swim you. I hop you. I start you. I stop you. I sway you. I swing you. I snug you. I sing you. I hear you. I let you. I know you. I get you. I pull you. I tug you. I hold you. I love you. Yep. Yeah. Wasn't that a cute story? How many of you have said that to a person? Let me know in the comment box with a thumbs up if you have said that to your mom and dad, or has your mom and dad said things like that to you. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman, and this book reading will be over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody.